Yes, student, next one, electron gain enthalpy of sextile group element. Okay, you can again consider along a period, along a period, that is moving left to right. Again, you can write sextile group element very first, and then we have to compare it with the 15th group and what 17th group element. So, what is electron gain enthalpy? The tendency to gain electron, and thus the energy is getting releases. This is known as electron gain enthalpy. So, the gaining of electron depends on the nuclear attraction force. As we know, moving along a period, nuclear attraction force increases, atomic size decreases, therefore the tendency to gain electron becomes easier. That is, the more amount of energy releases. So there is a simple trend. What? The 17th group element have very high electron gain enthalpy as compared to 16th group, and consequently the 16th group element have again high energy as compared to 15th group elements. Actually there is no exception at all. Getting? But what? 16th group elements require 2 electron to complete, require 2 electron to complete what? Noble gas configuration, to complete noble gas configuration. Only this is the difference. Okay, now the second one is down the group, okay. Now down the group, electron gain enthalpy regularly decreases, This is due to what? Increase in size, okay, and decrease in nuclear attraction force, nuclear attraction force. Okay, but again there is exception. But exceptionally, first element, okay, that is what? That is oxygen. Okay, have very low negative value of electron gain enthalpy. Okay, even as compared to tellurium and polonium. Okay, now what is the reason behind it? Reason is volume of oxygen is very small, so is unable to hold two, okay, extra electron in valence shell, okay, by what? Only what? 8 protons, okay. So the order is what? Sulfur have maximum, then the lesser for selenium, then again lesser for tellurium, and again lesser for polonium, and the oxygen has the least what? Electron gain enthalpy. Okay, that means what? From sulfur it is regularly decreases, but only one exception is there, what? Oxygen. Therefore I have written here regularly decreases, but this decrease is started from the sulfur, not from the oxygen. Okay, student, on the basis of it we can deal what? Metallic and non-metallic properties. Okay, what? As there as their electronegativity down the group decreases. Hence metallic property okay, gradually decreases and consequently and non-metallic property metallic property gradually increases and non-metallic property decreases. In fact, what? Oxygen is the second most electronegative element. Okay, after what? Fluorine is the most electronegative. It is what? 4.0. Okay, student, actually the two contents are dealt here simultaneously, what? Electronegativity as well as what? Metallic and non-metallic property, because these two property depends on each other. Getting? So there is no need to explain it separately, although already we have dealt all these properties in 15th group element. In electronegativity, again there is no exception at all, and metallic and non-metallic property, again there is no exception. It is just like 15th group. Down the group, metallic property increases. Therefore, the tellurium and the polonium, they are what? Metallic in nature, while the first element, oxygen and sulfur, that is first and second elements, are non-metallic in nature, while the selenium and tellurium shows metalloid. They are considered as metalloid.